Are you looking to improve your trading by developing better skills on reading Bookmap? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Market Pulse indicator. That's going to be this indicator we see right up here in the top right, and also on the bottom of our screen as well. It gives us a overbought and oversold indicator as well. Like we would see on something like an RSI, we could spot divergence to find potential trades. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to want to do is activate the Market Pulse. What we're going to do is come to the top left of our screen and we're going to configure add-ons. We're going to come down to about the fifth slot under Liquidity Tracker Free, and we're going to turn the Market Pulse on. As you see, I already have an array of Market Pulse settings on, but what I have up right now is going to be the NASDAQ. We have the threshold is at 70. I put the volume down to 10 because it does make a noise just like many other Bookmap indicators do. And what you do is you click the little play button and that will bring it onto our chart. You can mute or unmute it as well, and you could also add other markers in other markets as well. So we could add ES and gold, and I could not have them on my screen but still be aware of where the buying pressure or selling pressure is on them. So with that being said, let's focus on the NASDAQ. Now that we know how to grab it to our charts, how do we use the tool to trade? So the Market Pulse gives us a few things to choose from, and they are all very useful. It shows us the buying pressure and the selling pressure, and again, this is more for scalpers, people trying to catch some momentum, and it also gives us a chart on the bottom which displays almost like a line chart, just like we would see on something like an RSI. It also displays overbought and oversold areas. So these are areas that we might look for a pullback in the market, and we might even look for divergence. So when price makes a higher low, we might look for the Market Pulse to make a lower low, or vice versa to spot divergence. I'm going to show you guys the noise the Market Pulse makes once we start breaking these levels, because once we start getting through a certain threshold on the Market Pulse, it starts making this noise, and it will continue to make this noise as long as the volume is present and we're looking for that continuation. So there's the noise right out the gate, and to change this noise, because it won't be that one at the beginning, we're going to right click our Market Pulse up here, choose settings, and we're going to come down to audio settings. At this point, what I like to do is do sounds 101p for the first one and 101.2 for the second one. That would be 101 for positive when we're green, and then 102 when we are negative red. This is what the O2 sounds like, and then this is the O1. So again, they're sort of basic, not too noisy, nothing crazy. They offer a whole bunch of different ones, but whatever suits you. So now that we have our settings saved, we're able to use the Market Pulse to spot when we have strong selling pressure. We're able to use it along with the Bookmap and heat map to notice that we are taking out these levels. We have that momentum. We swept this 18,315, was a strong level for about 15-20 minutes. Now we finally broke it, was a floor, and now it might work as a ceiling, but we might look to target for a quick 15-point move through that level, this 18,300 level, because of the momentum in the market, and we'll see if we have that selling pressure too. So instantly the market sweeps lower, hits all those buy stops, hits all those sell orders. We have momentum. It's keep pushing lower. We see the selling pressure here too. This would have been a nice quick trade to the downside, and again, this was a downtrending day, so we could have even gotten up here and looked to hold for the day because of the momentum to the downside. Remember guys, the trend is our friend, so when we use Bookmap to spot those tops and bottoms, we're really able to find nice entries, and boom, right through that 300 level, right to that 290 level, another 10 points right there using the Market Pulse indicator.